Hi there. I know that you're familiar with DarkMode on your Google Android phones. So today I'm going to teach you now how to make your Google Chrome on your Android smartphone dark mode. It's me, Robert, and this is Tactical Vlog. Dark mode helps you on two things. It helps you reduce eye stress, and second of all, it expands your battery life. So today, I'm gonna help you step by step how you're gonna do your Google Chrome dark mode. Okay, let's go to my Xperia screen. Click Chrome. Now type Chrome // flags. Be sure that your version 74 in order to work. Now type dark. Now enable everything. Then relaunch. Now that your Google Chrome is in dark mode, but I'm gonna include additional features. So type Chrome, do it. Okay, enable everything, relaunch. So Chrome do it is your toolbar will be on the bottom side now. Now just follow everything. Your Chrome now will become much faster than before because we're gonna scroll smoothly and everything. I hope that you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Tactical Vlog, signing off.